The packaging experience immediately reflects the premium positioning Beelink is aiming for with the EX Mate Pro. Inside the package, Beelink includes everything needed for an immediate out-of-box setup experience, including the EX Mate Pro unit itself, a practical portable carrying pouch, the user manual, an AC power cable, a high-bandwidth 80 gigabits per second USB-C to USB-C cable, and an HDMI cable for quick external display connectivity. The inclusion of both the high-speed USB4 cable and an HDMI cable is particularly appreciated since many manufacturers still force users to purchase certified high-bandwidth cables separately. At first glance, the EX Mate Pro looks refreshingly minimalistic. The pearl white finish, soft rounded corners, and compact cubic form factor give it a distinctly modern desktop aesthetic that pairs especially well with contemporary ultrabooks and minimalist workspaces. Despite housing an internal 140-watt power supply, active cooling system, speaker hardware, microphone array, 4 SSD slots, and multiple high-speed ports, the device remains surprisingly compact. The industrial design feels carefully balanced between functionality and elegance. EX Mate Pro resembles a premium desktop accessory intentionally designed to remain visible on a workspace rather than hidden behind a monitor. One of the most compelling aspects of the EX Mate Pro is how effectively it simplifies modern desk setups, using a single USB 4 connection to simultaneously deliver up to 96-watt laptop charging, high-speed storage expansion, additional USB connectivity, dual display output, wired 2.5 gigabit Ethernet networking, integrated speaker and microphone functionality, and seamless support for external peripherals, all while significantly reducing the cable clutter and complexity associated with traditional multi-device workstation environments. Instead of juggling separate chargers, USB hubs, Ethernet adapters, SSD enclosures, and conference speakers, the EX Mate Pro centralizes everything into one coherent platform. The Beelink EX Mate Pro stands out as one of the most genuinely innovative desktop companion devices I have tested in recent years, delivering far more than a conventional docking station by seamlessly integrating high-speed connectivity, expandable storage, charging capabilities, networking, and communication features into a compact, workspace-friendly design that feels exceptionally polished and thoughtfully engineered, ultimately creating a remarkably versatile, all-in-one platform for professionals, creators, remote workers, and advanced laptop users seeking a cleaner, more streamlined, and significantly more capable desktop experience.